Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to get unlimited storage on Google Drive. It's simple. First of all, you need to understand that you have to download Google Drive app from Google Play Store. When you download that, you can simply use, and if your Google Drive space full, so you can simply go for unlimited storage. So you can just open the Google Chrome and press on search bar and search Google One. Open the first results, and here you can see the multiple option, multiple plan. So you can scroll down and just check the multiple plan. Press on upgrade. Now here is a 15 GB plan, 100 GB, or at last there is a plan like about 2 TB. So I think the 2 TB is not practically like too much small. It's too much big memory or space which will never be end. So simply now from here you can get the unlimited storage on Google Drive. Remember, this is not a free. If you want to buy 2 TB storage for Google Drive, you can simply pay around, like if you're paying in your currency, like it's about $10 to $20. Like if it's in PKR, you can pay 1,050 per month. Like if you like, you just calculate in your own currency and simply press on that to purchase this plan. So now you are able to get unlimited storage on Google Drive from here. I hope this video is very informative for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.